never take you to a local place. This is where I chill out.
Yes, it's nice.
Just where would you want to sit? Oh yeah, sit here.
Okay, thank you.
So that if we don't, we now sit here.
Oh, really?
Ah,
Okay. Wow.
I just, you are full of fun.
Thank you.
Ah, from the party.
Chief,
They
chief.
Yes, very nice. Barman, because reduce all the Chief Don is here. Come now, and for my baby. Can you hear me now?
Oh, yes, I
you
can.
like the calm environment.
Chief, you're funny.
This is just what I like.
Thank you.
Hi, beautiful girl.
Thank you.
What do you care for?
Just one bottle of stout. I'm okay. Yes.
I am Chief Don.
I know.
You should be calling 5 bottles. One crate. Please bring 3 bottles of start. Let us start with that one, please.
No. I don't drink much, Chief. You have to understand.
This girl. Chief Don is capable of your bill, so.
I know, Chief. Don't worry. I'm okay with one bottle. One bottle. Yes. You can bring one bottle.
Okay, please, bring 1 bottle of start for her. Give me 2 bottles of like you know my regular drink. This is what I love about you. You have everything up and down.
Thank you.
This is why Chief will take you special.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let us start from here. So tell them to be doing the nkwobi and the pepper soup. You say you want 1 fish, Abby?
I'm okay, Chief.
They are preparing fish inside. This is Chief Don.
Chief, I'm okay.
No, don't worry. Whenever I come here, they know I must chop fish. So, baby,
Thank you.
let me serve you first as a gentleman.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Chief.
Anything for my baby.
Chief.
Anything for my baby.
Chief.
Anything for my baby. Now me be happening cheese. I want to spoil you with money. It's just that you don't like drinking. You don't like drinking. You don't like eating money.
No.
I have been watching you. You have not been drinking. Drink. I want to see you drink.
Chief, I'm drinking.
Drink. Oh. Good.
Chief.
Yes, my lord. Anything for you, baby.
Chief.
That is why I don't like drinking beer.
Really?
I like taking wine. That is why I don't like drinking beer. I want to peace. Nah, the toilet are the open. Like I come get your memory. Yes, I want to peace.
Okay.
Make yourself comfortable.
Chief.
Drink up. If I come, I will buy another one for you.
No, don't worry.
I am coming now. Let me go and pee.
Chief.
Yes, my love.
Chief.
Give me. I'm coming.
Chief.
Mad your tongue. My baby. My baby.
Chief.
My baby.
Yeah.
What is happening here? Now you take all these things. Hey, my baby. And you are forming since now for Majibo. I don't want to drink. You have finished 3 bottles already.
Just one bottle.
Just 1 bottle. You would have told me to order the whole drink in the bar. This girl, Kadeleja. You are making me this girl. I don't want to drink. Before I go and come back, you have finished 3 bottles.
Just one bottle.
1 bottle has multiplied to 3 bottles.
No be juju be that.